I've been de-rusting this bloody saw. It fits in this slot here. I've done that bottom one today. Got that one to do, and this one's partial. This one's been a nice one. I really had to touch it. I had no intention of doing anything with it, but these are scraggy. That was pretty bad. It's come up nice now. Can't get these off. I don't know how to get them off. They've got no slots that I can see. Might have to cut some in. I don't know. Don't know how to do it without damaging them. These came off fairly easy. They're sitting in this crap. There's a handle. Seen better days. I'll give it a touch up. Not too much. It's scraggy there. But it's a nice saw. Just needed really cleaning. I don't know what it is with these saws. They've got a black coating on them. It's like mixture of rust and resin. Nope, it's resin in the. This one was the same. I bet that one is as well. I don't know what's up with this one. No, this one's not too bad. It'll take 20 minutes or so. Oh, that's got nice. What is this? I can't read it. It's too small. Warranted superior. I'd heard that before. Hang on. I don't know. Warranted superior.